How do you find this particular student, now who is in 12th, opting to become a computer scientist, should develop a sort of talent and skill in herself, or it's something called inborn talent or a skill? Because I find even students when they are in the 6th standard, or even recently read that a boy of 2.5 or 3 years, he started programming. I mean, he started making a lot of apps, and his dad was in some Flipkart or some companies. So I think there's no age, like, so, but then this can be seen in a child, that this child is going to be an excellent computer scientist, engineer in the future. So my question to you is, one is going for higher studies. The second question is, how a student can gauge and judge that, yes, computer science engineer is the right choice for me when I become an engineer. So what do you think are the special skills, talents, or the feature or characteristics that one must have in yourself to be? It's not just become an ordinary, we want to have some more, Sundar Pichais, we want to some, Nadelas, right? So Bill Gates. So we want such sort of computer scientists. So what do you think should be an inborn talent or can be a developed talent in a child? I'm giving a longer question because you can think about it, because this is going to be really, really, okay, one thing is mathematics, that's a backing, and that's backing for any field of engineering. But other than that, what else?
Okay. So I would say the aptitude or the interest towards this particular area, because some people tend to normally pick up this interest in computer science, doing programming, and as you mentioned, from the 6th standard they are into programming. So I think some people have that natural urge or aptitude into this, but no, it can be developed also, because I think many cases people are not exposed to programming much early in the age. Maybe some have their brother or sister or parents, they may be in this, and then they would have exposed them to that, okay, but many of them probably they didn't get exposed to. But one thing I can say is, once you join, okay, once you get a feel of what computer science is, what programming is, or what algorithms are, then you will feel internally whether you resonate with that or not, okay. So when you resonate with that, and some people explicitly, if you look at, they will have what do you call interest towards learning the fundamentals, right? So they want to learn everything properly with foundations, proper. Some people quickly learn theory little bit and then they go ahead and then do the implementation. I think they are the kind of people who are more suited for job, and then because they want to try out. But there are some students who give enough weightage to the foundations and all that. So such people, actually I found that they resonate more towards go to higher studies.